Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your go-to channel for discovering the hottest products on the market. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we dive into an exciting countdown of the best-selling fabric decorating kits on Amazon. These kits have taken the crafting world by storm, and we're about to explore the top picks that have captured the hearts of DIY enthusiasts everywhere. So, without further ado, let's get started and unveil the must-have fabric decorating kits that are perfect for unleashing your creativity. Hold on to your creativity hats because at number 5 in our countdown, we have the TULIP Fabric Dye 37934 FDI LG Mermaid 5 Color 4 Ounces Kit. Imagine a world where every fabric you touch transforms into a vibrant masterpiece. This kit is your ticket to a kaleidoscope of colors. With enough supplies to create up to 30 stunning projects, this kit ensures the fun never stops. It comes with 8 plastic gloves and 40 rubber bands, making it perfect for group activities or solo artistic ventures. Think of the endless possibilities, from chic apparel to unique home decor pieces. Inside, you'll find 5 4-ounce easy-squeeze bottles filled with highly concentrated non-toxic dyes plus 5 dye refill packets. These aren't just any dyes, they're one-step wonders. Just add water, shake, and voila! No pre-soak and soda ash needed. Dive straight into the dyeing process without the hassle. But here's the magic. These dyes work best with 100% natural fiber fabrics like cotton, rayon, and wool. The colors soak in beautifully, giving your creations a rich, professional look that lasts. So whether you're a seasoned fabric artist or a newbie looking to explore, the TULIP Fabric Dye Kit is your perfect partner in creativity. Get ready to unleash your inner artist and turn ordinary fabrics into extraordinary works of art. This kit is not just about dyeing fabric. It's about expressing yourself in the most colorful way possible. At number 4 in our countdown of the top-selling fabric decorating kits on Amazon, we present the fabric pens for clothes, a pack of 24 no-fade markers that are machine washable and perfect for fabric decorating. These markers are not just tools, they're gateways to limitless creativity, especially designed for both kids and adults. Imagine your child, wide-eyed with excitement, ready to transform a plain t-shirt into a vibrant canvas. These kid-safe fabric markers are perfect for wall art, clothing, handbags, placemats, canvases, shoes, and even bibs. They're the ultimate tool for young artists eager to let their creative flags fly high. Versatility is key with these markers. Each pen is dual-tipped, offering both a thin and a thick tip option. This means your imagination can run wild without any technical restrictions. Fine lines for detailed designs? Check. Broad strokes for bold statements? Absolutely. Now let's talk durability. These fabric markers are designed to be permanent. Your vibrant creations will withstand multiple washes at 30 degrees Celsius without bleeding. So go ahead, design that unique shirt, decorate those shoes, or personalize that bag. Your art will stay as vivid as the day you created it. And as the summer ends, it's back to school time. Why not make it more fun for the kids? These fabric pens are fantastic for customizing school supplies, making the return to school not only easier but much more exciting. But wait, there's more! Halloween is just around the corner. Whether it's decorating costumes or creating spooky art projects, these markers are perfect. They're not just about color, they're about bringing your imagination to life. Keep the kids entertained, add more fun to trick-or-treating, and scare up some creativity. So, unleash your artistic potential with these amazing fabric markers, and let every stroke tell a story, every color spark joy. Creativity knows no bounds with the fabric pens for clothes. Coming in at number 3 on our countdown of the best-selling fabric decorating kits on Amazon, we have the Fabric Markers Set, a collection of 30 vibrant and intense colors that will transform your fabrics into masterpieces. Imagine the burst of creativity you'll experience with this stunning array of shades, ready to personalize your t-shirts, clothes, pillows, and canvases. These markers are designed with high-quality fabric dye ink, ensuring your creations not only stand out, but last longer. The fine bullet tip allows for precision and control, making it easy to layer and outline colors. Your imagination can truly run wild without any technical restrictions. Ease of use? Absolutely. These fabric markers are permanent, perfect for decorating cloth, bags, and shoes. Even after multiple wash cycles at 30 degrees Celsius, your artwork remains vivid and intact. For the best results, wash your garment after 24 hours to ensure the colors set perfectly. Versatility is a hallmark of these markers. Don't just stop at fashion. Use them to mark camping equipment, bedding, babies' onesies, and so much more. The ink is permanent, dries quickly, and won't bleed, providing you with endless possibilities for your creative projects. We're confident that our fabric marker pens will exceed your expectations and unleash your creativity. And if they don't, we're here to fix any issues promptly. Please note, though, this product is not suitable for children under 3 years old. So whether you're a seasoned artist or a DIY enthusiast, the Fabric Markers set offers you the tools to create stunning, personalized fabric art. Get ready to add a personal touch to your world with a burst of vibrant colors and endless creativity. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling fabric decorating kits on Amazon? Well, don't let your creativity run out of ink. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay in the loop on all our crafty content. Our number 2 pick on the top-selling fabric decorating kits on Amazon is the Sunacme Fabric Markers pen set, featuring a dazzling array of 32 permanent colors that will ignite your creativity. Imagine the thrill of choosing from a vibrant spectrum, perfect for any DIY enthusiast or craft lover. These markers promise rich pigment effects, especially stunning on white fabric, making your designs pop with brilliance. Versatility is the name of the game here. Whether you're customizing costumes, t-shirts, jeans, hats, handbags, shoes, or even baby gear, the Sunacme fabric markers offer endless possibilities for personal expression. Your imagination is the only limit when it comes to transforming everyday items into unique, personalized pieces of art. Crafted with premium Germany ink, these markers are built to last. Fade-resistant and designed to withstand machine washes without bleeding, they ensure that your art retains its original beauty for the long haul. Your creations will look as vivid and fresh as the day you made them. Ease of use is another standout feature. The fine tip flows smoothly, giving you control for both thick and thin lines, making it perfect for writing, doodling, coloring, outlining, sketching, or any DIY project. Plus, the ink is non-toxic, low-odor, acid-free, and fade-proof, ensuring a safe and pleasant experience for all ages. A quick tip for optimal results: always place a piece of paper underneath your drawing area to prevent bleed-through. Apply light layers of ink until you achieve the desired brightness, and remember to keep the caps tight after every use to prevent the pens from drying out. With the Sunacme Fabric Markers pen set, you're not just buying markers. You're investing in endless creative opportunities. Whether for personal projects, gifts, or just to unleash your inner artist, this set promises to deliver exceptional quality and vibrant results every time. And now, the pinnacle of our countdown, the number 1 best-selling fabric decorating kit on Amazon, the Zenacolor 20 Fabric Markers pen set. These markers are not just tools. They are gateways to a world of vibrant creativity, designed to ignite your artistic spirit. Imagine an explosion of intense colors, each pen offering a precise fine tip that allows for meticulous detailing. These fabric pens are your canvas's best friend, providing you with a burst of shades to add your unique touch to any project. From tote bags to t-shirts, sneakers to banners, the possibilities are as endless as your imagination. The secret to their brilliance? High-quality ink made from rich pigments. This ensures your designs resist fading and can withstand machine washes at cold temperatures, keeping your art vibrant and fresh. No need to worry about your masterpiece losing its charm. These markers are built to last. Ease of use is paramount with Zenacolor. The fabric paint dries in just 24 hours with no heat required. Simply stretch your fabric gently and apply a bit of pressure while drawing or writing. This ensures smooth, flawless results every time. Whether you're decorating light-colored fabrics, paper, or canvas, these markers perform exceptionally, making them ideal for both beginners and seasoned artists, children as young as 3 and adults alike. Versatility is at the heart of this set, perfect for a myriad of projects, from personalizing everyday items to creating unique gifts. These markers are your go-to for any creative endeavor. And if you ever need assistance, the dedicated Zenacolor team is always ready to help. Ensuring your satisfaction is their top priority. With the Zenacolor 20 Fabric Markers pen set, you're not just purchasing a product. You're investing in a creative experience that promises exceptional quality, vibrant colors, and endless fun. Unleash your creativity and make every fabric a masterpiece with Zenacolor. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling fabric decorating kits on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the featured bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.